Hello guys, welcome to our channel eCommerce Know-How. E-commerce brands are investing in the crypto community, and this is true. This video will talk about two e-commerce brands and their crypto investment. Let's begin. Let's start with understanding cryptocurrency and e-commerce. There seems to be a lot of debate over whether crypto is good or harmful for e-commerce. Using Bitcoin for amenities should be acceptable for individuals who engage in cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, one may just have to pay greater fees to withdraw from Coinbase or another alternative wallet than withdrawals from a normal stock brokerage account. Consumers aren't harmed much, but e-commerce businesses would have to finance their electricity bills and perhaps buy supplies may face difficulties. But here are two major e-commerce companies that have indeed invested in crypto. Next comes the Body Digital. Boyd Digital can be categorized as a modern digital marketing firm that primarily focuses on potential changes in the digital social ecosystem. Boyd Digital is well equipped to take e-commerce businesses into the community area. It has over 12 years of experience, a client list of major names, and an interest in Bitcoin marketing. E-commerce companies will use a more community-based business model to satisfy their customers. This is due to the increased use of secure services like Telegram as well as Discord, which do not allow third-party monitoring of consumer information. With limited access to third-party data and email addresses, many e-commerce businesses will turn to a community-based marketing strategy that has proven successful for cryptocurrency. This method of community marketing focuses on certain demographics and effectively engages with them. A close-knit and networked group can assist in amplifying and spreading a marketing message. The survival of any blockchain is predicated on the assurance of a supporting community, according to Tolkien Minds, a crypto marketing agency. This is also applicable to e-commerce firms, and with the scarcity of available customer information growing, interacting with specific groups is probably the most viable path forward. Cryptocurrency has demonstrated that promoting a large group of people who seem to be probably interested in a given service or product can be quite fruitful. In order to overcome this issue of fewer consumer data, e-commerce companies now will seek marketing departments as well as organizations that comprehend this technique. In addition, two-way brand communication has become essential for growth in an extremely competitive climate, says Colin Boyd, head of an international marketing agency. With the expense of paid advertising rising and conversion rates falling, organizations should focus on actively communicating with their customers. The days of no-reply at email addresses are history, Boyd continues. Telegram as well as Discord are unexplored marketing channels that will deliver faster and better engagement and more sales than email. Although customer information and email marketing will continue to have vast use for years to come, services like Telegram will also, on the other hand, continue to expand. As consumer data is becoming more scarce, for companies in the e-commerce and marketing spaces that are well on the path to adapt, investment in a crypto-style collaborative marketing strategy in 2022 is positioned to gain. Mercado Libre. Mercado Libre, Latin America's largest e-commerce firm by market capitalization, has reported having invested in 2TM, the holding company for Mercado Bitcoin, Brazil's largest exchange platform for crypto alongside Paxos, a blockchain infrastructure firm. The e-commerce business revealed in a statement on Thursday that it purchased shares of 2TM and made a strategic investment in Paxos, but did not specify the value of the transaction. The investments show Mercado Libre's commitment to the development as well as the use of crypto assets and blockchain technology in the region, according to the firm. The partnership between Mercado Libre and Paxos is indeed not new. However, the e-commerce titan incorporated Paxos blockchain technology in December 2021, allowing users of its virtual wallet, Mercado Pago, to purchase and trade Ether, Bitcoin, and the stablecoin Pax Dollar in Brazil for a minimum of 1 Brazilian real. As a premier technology business, we're constantly analyzing the different innovations and possibilities that arise as this market advances, intending to become a key player in this disruption. This was said in a statement given by Andre Chavez, who is the senior vice president at Mercado Libre. He further continued by saying that digital assets and blockchain technology depict a distinctive, global, as well as collaborative phenomenon that shatters barriers and also creates a level, open playing field for every user to gain financial empowerment, which is also in alignment with our mission as a company. The enterprise, which trades on NASDAQ under the symbol MELI, reported a $7.8 million Bitcoin acquisition in line with its treasury plan in May 2021. In addition, its Argentine real estate portal recently included a section dedicated to Bitcoin property sales and purchases. On the other hand, Mercado Bitcoin concluded 2021 with 3.2 million customers, 1.1 million among whom registered the year before, according to an email from the business to CoinDesk. Furthermore, it is said that its trading volume was $7.1 billion. In 2021, Mercado Bitcoin raised $250 million and valued $2.2 billion. It intends to boost into Chile, Argentina, Colombia, as well as Mexico, possibly organically or via acquisitions, now that it has a foothold in Brazil. So these are the two e-commerce brands that have generated interest and investment in the crypto world. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section.